Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to send Cardano from your Tangem wallet to Bitrue in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently, especially with the latest updates in blockchain tech. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this step-by-step tutorial will have you transferring ADA in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need the Tangem wallet app installed on your device. It's user-friendly and super secure. Also, ensure you have a Bitrue account with a funded wallet address ready. Double-check that your Tangem wallet is connected to the Cardano network. In 2025, this should be seamless with the latest firmware updates. Step 1. Open your Tangem wallet app and unlock it using your PIN or biometric authentication. Navigate to the Assets tab and select Cardano, ADA, from your portfolio. You'll see your current balance, great for verifying how much you want to send. Next, hit the Send button. Enter the amount of ADA you wish to transfer. Remember, always leave a little extra for network fees, which are pretty low for Cardano these days. Now, paste in your Bitrue wallet address. To get that, log into your Bitrue account, go to the deposit section for ADA, and copy the address provided. Once everything looks good, review the transaction details carefully. This includes the amount, recipient address, and any fees. In 2025, Tangem has enhanced security features like multi-signature options, so take a second to enable them if available. Then, confirm the transaction. You'll get a prompt on your device to approve it. After confirmation, sit tight. Cardano transactions are fast, usually confirming in under a minute. Head over to your Bitrue account to check if the funds have arrived. If you run into any issues, like network congestion, just wait a bit or reach out to Tangem or Bitrue support. And there you have it. That's how you send Cardano from Tangem to Bitrue in 2025. It's simple, safe, and empowers you to manage your crypto like a pro. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay secure out there, and I'll see you in the next video.